Hi, I'm Mr. Levy, teacher librarian, and I'm going to show you how you can use the library catalog to find materials. First, start off at this high school website. Under academics, go to library. And then here, a big blue button will take us to the library catalog. When you get there, it'll show books that we've recently added, and you'll see whether they're available, whether they're checked in, or if they are currently checked out. If you want to know what the book is about, you click on it, and you'll get a summary of what the book is about. You also can see we have books arranged by their topic if you don't know exactly what you want, also by collection. But if I were to search, like for Rick Riordan, and I can see what books I have about pyramid. So there's call number will tell you what kind of book it is. So GN means this one's a graphic novel. This one, if it's an F, it means it's a fiction book, and that's where I'd find it in the fiction section, although that one's checked out. If it has a number, it's a Dewey Decimal Number, so it's a nonfiction book. This one's about the Great Pyramids. If it begins with bio, that's going to be a biography, a story about Rick Riordan.